So the next concept is header files. Okay, so what is this header file consist of? Header files, or you can say library files. Library files. Okay, suppose consider in C language we are having lot of functions. Okay, say till now what you have seen, printf has been seen, scanf has been seen, right? So say printf and scanf are the input and output functions. Suppose in the same way we have suppose sine, cos, what you can say these functions are sqrt. These functions are related to mathematical functions, right? And yesterday we have seen one topic known as strings, right? So what is a string? You can say a group of characters. So for this group of characters we have some functions like say strrev, strcpy. So a lot of different types of functions are there, right? And some are related, like say these are string functions, these are math functions, and these are input and output functions, right? Say just leave the topic aside. Consider you're going to a particular college. In this particular college, how this particular books are arranged in the library? Suppose we are having 3 departments, say EC, EEE and computer science. So what you can say, the particular books will be arranged in the format. Say here it will be like say CSC, rack wise, right? Say here it will be EC, and here you can say it is EEE, right? So why we do this thing? Just so that a user can directly retrieve that particular books easily, right? The same way, what is that particular header files or particular library files consist of? Nothing but all the input and output functions, all the functions related to input and output function are grouped together, printf and scanf, and have been given a name, a particular header file name, that is nothing but stdio.h. What is the name? stdio.h. So what is this stdio.h? Is nothing but standard input output header file. Okay, now conio.h. What does conio means? Console input output. Con means console input output header file, nothing but the output screen. Okay, where we see the particular output. On the output screen we will be using some functions known as clr, scr and getch to get the characters, right? CLR, scr to clear the screen. So if I want to use these particular functions, you have to compulsory include this particular header file. So what that particular header file consists of? A group of related functions. Yes or no? Say here we are having one more header file known as math.h. Means in this particular math.h you will be having a particular functions known as sine, sqrt, cos, power, all these particular functions. Okay, so if I want to use these particular functions, I have to compulsory include the header file known as math.h. What's the header file? Math.h. The same way we are having one more header file. This is the basic things what I am telling. Say one more header file will be like say strrev and strcpy. What are those known as? String copy, string reverse. Like so this is string reverse and this is string copy. If you want to use this particular header files, functions, we have to include a header file known as string.h. Okay, string.h, right? So this is nothing but what you can say header file is. A header file is nothing but a group of related functions. Group of related functions, right? Understood the concept? So this is a header file. Suppose if I am considering two node points we can have here. What are the two node points you can see here? First node point is nothing but, suppose int a equals to, what is it? Int means integer value, right? Without point. But if I'm trying to store int a equals to 3.5, then what the compiler will do, what it will take? If you think it will give an error, it's wrong. It won't give an error. It will take a value. What value it will take is nothing but here in 3.5. What is this particular integer value? You can say till 3 is an integer value, right? After point it will be like say float or real number. So that compiler will take only the integer value. So what's the integer value in 3.5? 3, right? So it will take the value as what? 3 itself. So the output will be nothing but 3. A equal to 3 will be taken. Fine. Next, the second thing is nothing but, if I am taking float b equals to 6, then what the compiler will be taking? B equals to 6. The float is nothing but point value, right? So compulsory it will take 0.00000. Okay, clear? So this is the important note point what you have to remember. Understood? So what is a header file? You can say a group of related functions, right? So if you want to use a particular predefined function, then that particular related header file must be included in our program. Without including that particular header file, you cannot write or use that particular function. Is this point clear? So this is the end of header files or library files. Okay.